Are you looking for a simple, straightforward braised pork belly recipe? This is the one for you. So let's get straight to it. So I have 2 pounds pork belly strips. We're gonna start by cutting our pork. And then I'm going to blanch the pork for at least 10 minutes just to remove the scum and impurities. Cover lang natin for 10 minutes. So after rinsing and draining our pork, we're gonna put it back to our wok. Just arrange the pork the way you like it, and after that, just toss in some spices and aromatics. To give this umami flavor and color to our pork belly, we're going to add some regular and dark soy sauce. And then we have whole black peppercorn, and to balance the taste, we're gonna add some brown sugar. And then I have 1 stick of cinnamon, oyster sauce, and tomato sauce. And then lastly, we're gonna cover the pork with butter. Let it simmer for about 1 to 2 hours. Then we're gonna reduce the liquid by letting it boil until the sauce is thick. I'm gonna add some red chilies, but it's totally optional. That's it for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope that you're gonna give this recipe a try. Bye for now!